We are working on 2007 Nissan Maxima. Customer came in with this complaint. This doesn't shut off. This is the backup sensor. So we're gonna find out why it's not shutting off and it doesn't beep. So to get to the test mode, you turn the ignition on immediately. You hit this switch 14 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It goes out. Then you hit it again. It gives me one flash. That means there is a one code stored. So you hit it again. It's going to give me numbers. 1, 2, then stop, then 1. So that's a 2, 1. That is the code. So let's find out what the 2-1 code is. It's going to flash 5 times and it's going to shut off. So we know it's a 2-1. Let's find out what the 2-1 is for. So I googled the 2-1 code on this reverse sensing module. It shows the sonar buzzer is defective. Now I'm going to show you where that sonar buzzer is. This bottom panel, no special tools. You pull and look behind. Right up here, I have it out. That round speaker right there. Can you hold this light? This buzzer here, it was mounted right here. So that unplugs right here. Okay, so it says this sonar noisemaker is no good. So I'm going to unplug. I'm going to see if I can get one that's similar and stick it in, see if it goes away. I'm going to do use my multimeter. Go to the lowest range. You can either hit the diode check or 200, same thing. So when you have a continuity, you're supposed to get that. So it's supposed to give you an impedance of this buzzer. So if I touch these two, it's supposed to read the impedance. As you can see, it's open, doesn't read nothing. So when you have something connected, it's supposed to give you whatever the impedance, the resistance of the coil. Since it's open, when I touch these two, nothing. That indicates this one is no good. So we're gonna put new. I have a not an OEM but similar speaker. I'm gonna try to reset it to see if it works. Then I'll order the right one. So I temporarily put regular speaker that I have, put it in there. Before the light wasn't shutting off. This is only for the test. I'm gonna get the right one. But basically it's a speaker. Start it up. This light, if everything is good, it's gonna go out like this. Put it in reverse, please. It works. So that buzzer is definitely defective. So I'm gonna get the right one. That's how you find the faulty code and replacement of the buzzer that's mounted right here. Right there. So we got the new one in. And basically these clips right here, you pull that out, unplug, new one goes in the same way. I'll put the link on Amazon link on the description below so you can replace that. Alright, this is the final test. Before this light was staying on, it's supposed to go out like this after 3 seconds or so. If there's a faulty, this one will lit yellow and you cannot turn it on and off. So now you can shut it on and off, as you can see. So I put it in reverse. You hear the sound. So that's working. Thanks for watching.